Yeah, all of you, any one of you that just any rubbish, I will pardon you and describe that person. Got married. Oh, he told you. Good. We are fine. No, your mother is not here. Look, let us talk. I will call her after later. Hey, how are you? Come to America. No, we can't come to America. No. I will not let one Alcanda come and explode me in the aeroplane.
I will come. Let me talk to my pikin now.
No, Moji. I will send your brother Gbero instead. You don't know him. Gbero. You know that black.
How will she know Gbero? Does she know half the battalion he keeps in this place and claim that they are his sisters, brothers, aunties, grandmothers, children? What? Amen.
What is it? I'm not the only one. Hello? Salome. Hey, it's me. Yes, I'm coming now. Look, I know it's late, but keep the bar open. I want to eat. Okay, keep rice, then beans, dodo, moi, then chicken, turkey, and snail. No, nothing is wrong with me. Then make lafu and gbegiri. Yes, gbegiri with orishirishi. Yes. Wait. Then for sweet, just make small fufu with okra soup. The okra soup must have a dry fish. No, nothing is wrong with me. No.
Is it over? Is it over?
Oh yes, Pajami, it is over.
Are we safe?
We are very safe.
That reminded me of the Civil War. The foolish shooting and dying, while the few wise ones just took cover till the end of the war. He's sick. I knew it. Momo, he's sick. You see, I came here to come and collect some money for my wife in the hospital having a baby. But when I got here, he was not at home. So I said I will come back. But as I put my leg on the way, Ifa called me and said, Jamiu, my faithful servant. I said, Say Jamiu, I said, He said, okay, go and tell Fuji that his enemies are after him.
Enemy?
Benny.
Who are they?
There are many.
Where are they?
They are very many. They are very, 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 very many. You see, they are eating his liver.
Where are they?
You cannot see them, but I can see them. I can even send them away. Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́. Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́. Tí ìṣàwọ̀ olóde sálú ọ̀run gbé wọn bọ̀. Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́ tí ìṣàwọ̀ olóde sálú ayé gbé wọn wá.
Alákò wá pàdé iṣẹ́ bá.
Ẹ̀fúùfùlẹ̀ tí ìṣàwọ̀ wá.
Let him say they are deceiving you people.
Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́ tí ìṣàwọ̀ olóde sálú ayé gbé wọn bọ̀. Ẹ̀fúùfùlẹ̀ tí ìṣàwọ̀. You see, I have sent the yellow wish away. If I go do, if I is very good, give this one. Tell him to tie it round his waist and run round this house.
I am well, oh. I am well. I am well.
If I healed you,
It's a lie. Nothing was wrong with you.
nah, lie. If I just healed you now. So you better pay up, Ifa. Or if you don't pay, I will call you Shwelegbara. And it will lit up your liver, your kidney, your phone, and everything inside you, and you will become empty. Kálú ọ̀run ẹgbẹ́ wọn bọ̀, ẹ̀yin òòṣà mọ́kànkàndínlógún tí ìtìlẹ̀ olúfẹ́ bọ̀ wá.
Take.
Ẹ̀fúùfù lẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ìṣà wọn lóde ìsálú ọ̀run gbé wọn bọ̀. Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́.
When are you going to pay me back?
For what? This is the first money. You hear say if I dey owe person before? No, if I dey owe person. Ẹ̀fúùfù lẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ìṣà wọn lóde ìsálú ọ̀run gbé wọn bọ̀. Fẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. Tájù. Kàní máa ń dà yìí. Kàní máa ń bẹ̀rí àwọn. Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́ tí.
This is stealing in the name of Ifa.
Ẹ̀fúùfù lẹ̀lẹ̀.
Sure.
Tíye.
Stealing. Peace.
Chief, what is it?
I have told you people that I'm not canary bird in this house. Look at this bread.
What is wrong with the bread?
How do you think this will do me? Abi ori o pe mi.
Don't insult me. I'm Chief Inugo. If it's a bigger slice you want, you tell me, I'll get it.
Who's talking about a big slice? Look, I want something that will hold my tummy, my friend. Yes, sir. Oh. Yes.
Good morning.
Yes.
Chief Ola Martins. Ola Martins. Ola ń bí wọn nínú Martins.
My lord. Yeah, come here, in-law. Oh.
I was in the neighborhood and I thought I should meet you. Considering the fact that we shall soon be meeting each other to talk about our children.
Very good. You have done very well. And you also met me well.
Oh, really?
I am having a continental breakfast of bread and tea.
Wonderful.
Please come to the table and join me.
Oh, no. Thank you. I already had breakfast.
No, in-law. You cannot refuse. Come to the table. Peace! Bring up here! Where are the eggs and bacon and all the other condiments?
Chineke me. Na money kill am. Abi I go cut my nose to buy them.
Peace.
Chief, it's all right. I don't think I want any more breakfast.
I don't know. In-law. Are you sure?
Oh, yes. I'm very sure. Very sure.
All right. You will now have to tell me when next you are coming, so that I will tell my wife to cook for you. So, my sweet wife studied catering in the university.
Really?
Yes.
Catering practical.
Peace.
Oga, I don't know you from Adamo. But if catering practical cooks for you, just click it.
Oh, these women, they like African romance too much. You yap them, they yap you back. You beat them, they beat you back, and you all laugh.
I never thought of it that way.
You better think of it that way. Because that way you will never have hypertension.
If you knew we wouldn't bring this food on time, you shouldn't have bought that. Me, I'm hungry.
Angel! It's time for lunch, oh! Don't forget our breakfast. He did not bring it.
We're waiting for Angel to bring.
So the angel has not brought the food, Abi? Well, somebody should tell me the truth so that you can all go and eat. Who gave you the food you ate?
Papa, the food was there, so we woke up and ate.
Well, you are not serious yet. Oh yeah, all of you go upstairs. Now, go up, all of you, up. Go. Now, when you see the angel, tell him to come and meet me downstairs, oh.
See, I bring the medicine. This is the medicine.
No wonder. Medicine for what?
His body is hot. Ara ẹ̀ gbóná gan ni o. Ara ẹ̀ gbóná tíye. Come and drink the medicine, Jare.
I have not eaten anything.
Here he goes again. Always looking for an excuse. Hell, you know Chief doesn't like to take medicine. Maybe I will run and go and call Nurse Eliza to give him an injection.
I will take the medicine. What is it for? Where did you get this one?
It is my own.
Mama Moji, hey, don't they make medicine?
Peace. Don't come here with your oversabi. Yeah?
Sorry. Doctor Mama Moji.
What is this one for?
It is reminder of the last time I go to hospital.
Chekwa. Chineke. Mama Moji, was it not 5 years ago that you went to the hospital?
And so?
When you went for your menopause,
Meno?
Ibujekwe.
Ìwọ para ẹ̀, ìwọ obìnrin, ṣé kò sí nǹkan kan lára? Ìwọ epo òṣogbo, àbí tí ìlú dára lágbè ògiri. Ṣé ti ẹ ò kóró? Òun ṣé kò sí nǹkan kan? Epo gbóná, àbórí ẹ ti yí. Àbí wèrè ni ẹni? Tí ẹ ọkọ mi, drink the medicine, Jare.
Ìyá Mojí, I don't want to do menopause.
Tí mi menopause. Alright. If you don't want me to take care of you, go and find your own medicine. I treat all the children in the house with this medicine, and nobody has died.
I hope you have not given them menopause before their time. Fuck doctor. Yeah? No, take the broom. Sweep everywhere. What is the meaning of that? Yeah? You, kitchen, carry the plate. The plate they use to eat it, and the kitchen. Begin it. Wow, come and sweep this floor. What do you? Are you talking to me? Carry your demons go because